So, do you want to go get something to eat?
I'm at the door.
Sounds good. We're on the Norwegian Joy, and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. People are in Cabo, and we are on the ship. A little bit hungry, so we thought we would go and see the promenade and get something to eat and bring you along with us. So we're on the 13th floor, and I think it's our second day on this ship. I guess we can take the stairs, eh, Kirk? Or do you think that's too many? It's a pretty reflective ship, I guess is the word. There's a lot of mirrors. It makes it look a bit bigger than it probably is, and it looks really shiny. What I do like about these staircases, I don't know if you can sense it in this video, is that they're really wide, but it is overall quite a dark ship. We're only on the 10th floor. What do you feel like eating today, Kirk?
We'll see what's open.
Yeah, the dinner isn't until 5:30, but there's a lot of all-day venues here. There's the waterfront, so we're just approaching the 8th floor. There's the brew house over there. You want Food Republic. That one I know is not open. But oh yeah, let's go check out the promenade and then we can see. So Kirk and I made reservations for this place in a week from now, and they have a really great sushi bar. I'm gonna just give you a quick look at it. We're not coming in here, but they've got sushi, lots of seating, really bright. It's like a Japanese sort of flavor here. Let me just see. It's for display only, but we won't be eating that right now. We'll probably just get a burger or something. But more importantly, we'll just have something out on the promenade. Can't wait for you guys to see this. So again, we're on the 8th floor, and it's so amazing that everything, all the restaurants, this is Cigar Lounge. Cigar Lounge. We don't smoke cigars, so. Did you want to see if you can get in, just to show it? Me neither. What I do like about this is that there's seating for all the different restaurants out here on the promenade deck. Which restaurant are you setting up for? Ocean Blue?
Yes.
I heard this is a
restaurant, madam.
I heard it's a really good restaurant.
Yes, madam. We are all fully booked, always on the night.
Always?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, well I can see why. It's a pretty amazing location.
Yes, waterfront.
Waterfront, yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
See you, madam.
Hopefully.
Have a nice day.
You too. You see, just the quality, it's just feeling like a really nice quality place to spend your evening. These dinners, I think they're, what are they, Kirk? $65 per evening?
I think so.
65. All the different venues have different prices, but I think this is, I could be wrong, but maybe I'll check. We also are now coming up to the Sugarcane Mojito Bar. And just go check down this way. Some really great comfy seats and really cool decor. And then there's a little bar area here. Zero waste cocktails. How do they guarantee that? Oh, I see. Hi there. Hey, good, how are you? Okay, and then there's a French restaurant down here. Again, there's lots of great seating here. And then Norwegian Joy. And over here you could just sit and watch the water, sit with your friends. So we're in Cabo. You just see a nice view. Oh, I didn't notice this before, Kirk. Can you see through these? So tell me if you see any whales or anything. We saw whales this morning. This is a really good location for whale watching.
Yeah, but it's hard to see.
I don't see anywhere open for us to eat right now. But I suppose we could have a drink back there.
Maybe on the sunny side.
Yeah, I think I'd prefer to sit on the sunny side too.
This one is La Bistro.
La Bistro. I'll just show you the sign. Everything's got like this kind of fancy quality here, which is really nice. Nice setup. We're heading towards the back of the ship. Non-smoking section. Ah, here we are in Cabo. This is a really nice space here. Oh, look, Kirk. You can see down below here through these steps. Well, we've not really seen anything except for the bottom of the ship here. Guess they were fixing a light. There's a random ladder here. And there's the light they're fixing, I suppose. Okay, we're definitely on the sunny side now. And we're approaching Cagney's Steakhouse. And again, they have some really great options here, all sold out. You'll see some of the nice seating, the quality tableware that they use. How many degrees it is out here. It's quite nice. You see a lot of these cans and bottles of plastic and paper recycling bins, which I think is great. Very environmentally conscious on the ship. And some more of the comfy seating. Another great thing is that the promenade, it's pretty wide too.
Yeah, it is very wide.
I wish all ships had this kind of width and the generous amount of seating throughout. Hey! How's it going? Oh. Okay, and we have the brew house. So I think this is where we should have our burger, Kirk. Let's just see. They have some wines and cocktails here. Oh, they have energy drinks, Kirk. I wonder if that includes smoothies. And they have some gin, brandies, cognac. I think this is just a menu for the drinks. And another bar side. It's so comfy. Lots of drinks to choose from. Oh, Kirk, they have a blender. Maybe they could make a smoothie. Check that out for later. Kirk and I bought some protein, so we've been making our own smoothies. Hi, do you serve food in the afternoon?
Sorry?
Do you serve any food in the afternoon?
Oh no, only for the tourists.
Okay. No snacks? Okay. Do I have to go inside to eat a snack?
Oh yeah, the Garden Galway or the Observation Lounge.
Can I bring it out here to eat or no? No food outside at all?
Is it only you can even put to the restaurant area?
Okay.
It's still closed.
Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, that kills our idea of eating out here, Kirk. I guess if you pay to eat out here with a fancy dinner.
Yeah, but it's not open yet.
I know. Okay, we're passing the brew house. And this is the Italian restaurant, the Cucina. Oh, I guess the brew house is coming up. And here's the District Brewhouse here. So we have to go inside for that. You have to watch these doors because sometimes they would just end up closing on you. Do you want to see if we can get a burger or something here?
It doesn't look like they're open yet.
It doesn't,
We may
does
have
it?
to go up to the top.
Okay. Oh, well, I think. Well, they have beers and stuff here. Do you guys serve food in here?
No,
No food?
yes. In the local, we have food there.
Okay.
Local, next thing.
Okay. Thank you.
But,
But I can't sit outside and eat it though, right? Can I sit outside to eat the food?
And here,
Yeah.
no, you can bring. No, it's the food is not allowed here too.
Ah, okay. Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. So So I think our plan of going for eating and sitting on the 8th floor deck is kind of a bust. But I guess it's a good idea to keep everything nice and clean.
It is. Stop food from going all over the place.
Yeah, or overboard. But anyway, we're back to where we started, which is at the Food Republic. And we just finished the entire perimeter of the 8th floor. So I guess I'll sign off here and see if I can find some food for us. Unfortunately, without you. See you later. See you in the next video.